Do you know you can program a crystal using symbols? In this video, I'll explain why it's a good idea and how to use symbols to program your crystals or set your intention. Welcome back, and if you are new, I am Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic, and this channel is all about learning in simple terms about crystal healing, sacred geometry, and how to integrate crystals with other healing modalities. Why is it a good idea to use symbols to program crystals and help with manifestation? The most important thing we need when it comes to manifestation is knowing our intention and how we feel about it. It must have that high vibration, emotion, excitement, pure joy. We really have to believe what we want to manifest, because no matter the method or the modality, whatever you pick, crystal, visualization, cards, etc., we cannot bring into our lives what we don't believe in. I have talked about manifestation in other videos. You can check them in the links below or in the end card of this video. So, with that being said, we need to recognize that sometimes we go all over the place in our desire and in our attention, but we need to concentrate. Some other times we need to take the resistance away and start easy, build up from there in the vibration scale. That's when symbols come in. They are easy and powerful. Symbols have been with us since the beginning of time or the beginning of our memories. They are powerful because in just one image, one character, they can convey history, emotions, and knowledge in an instant. That's why we have national flags, that's why we have logos, signs, wedding bands. Everything in one image conveys so much that otherwise it would take a long time to learn and understand, and tainted with our emotions. Symbols convey powerful and instantaneous emotions, and they are also a call to action. That is why it's a good idea to program crystals with symbols. Now, here's the how and some crystal recommendations. If you are all over the place with your intention in terms of too many details, but not the fun kind, or there is something lacking in how your desire feels, the first thing is go back to basics. Let's see some examples. If your intention is to create a loving home for your family, instead of overwhelming yourself with so many details, the worries, the how or the what if, go with a picture that will make you smile instantly, the one that gets you dreamy, something like this. This is a good one for those into tarot or oracle cards. The same happens with that event you have always dreamed of. You can take two rings and put them together just like when you were a kid and you were playing with your friends. You can also use this other one. For any of these intentions, use heart chakra crystals and add quartz in the energy lines if you are using a grid. The advantage of using clear quartz, and that's my first recommendation, is that you can program anything in it that you desire with the true love and for the greater good. Also for grids, place the symbol with the master crystal. Now remember, whether you keep your crystals in a sacred space or altar, you can add the symbols that are meaningful to you and infuse them with that energy. Another way you can use crystals and symbols that are important or meaningful to you or represent your beliefs is in the form of carvings, crystal shapes. You can have your spirit animal if that is in your culture or if it is part of your spiritual practice. These are most common for meditation and divination or shamanic journey. What about angels? Protection, a token of love, or if that is how you visualize it, angelic realm connection. And for that you can use angelite, celestite, kyanite, or selenite. any high vibration crystal for the upper chakras. Also, for those who resonate strongly with archangel energy, carvings made of the associated crystal or the attributes of the archangel, like emerald for green ray energy or malachite, both to represent Raphael, the healer, the green ray connection. I hope this helps and you get creative and inspired when choosing and combining crystals. Don't forget to check the links below for free mini courses and the crystal classes, also for articles and videos related to what we saw today. And in case you haven't checked it out, Everyday Crystal Magic has a new project, the Dreams Portal Podcast, available here in its own channel on YouTube or in your favorite podcast platform, with new episodes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.